Bago ako umalis, binilhan ko siya ng apat na Coke Zero. Nag-iwan ako doon ng apat na Coke Zero. Bumili ako para sa kanya at sinabi ko na once a day yan. Kasi ang grocery mo will come sa Wednesday. Ang grocery list mo will come sa Wednesday. So, once a day yung apat na Coke Zero na iniwan ko sa'yo. At sabi niya, bakit? Sabi niya, bakit? Once a day lang ang Coke Zero ko. So, sabi niya, 3 beses daw kumakain araw-araw, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So, at least daw two cans of Coke Zero a day.
Oh my God.
So, I know, right? So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, babalik naman kasi ako sa Monday kasi meron akong schedule sa'yo. So, 4 yan. Gawin mo na lang 2 bukas, 2 sa Monday. And then, pagdating ko, bigyan na naman kita ng bagong stock mo ng Coke Zero. Yes, and then sabi niya, wala namang problema sa Coke Zero kasi wala naman itong sugar, so wala itong problema sa
Stubborn ka.
So, yes, I know. And then I said na, yes, it doesn't have sugar, but it has sugar substitute, so we have a problem with carcinogens, and then we will deal with cancer.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, I'll deal with cancer when it comes. I have diabetes, I'll deal with cancer when it comes.
He's so brave, huh?
So right now, I'm just keeping him comfortable, letting him, asking him to adjust to the ways inside and asking him to observe the other detainees and how they do things so that he knows how the system works inside. And then, well, yes, yun lang naman ang ang kanyang damit. Sabi niya, ipadala daw yung maleta niya na nasa akin. So, ipadala yon. Ang kanyang Coke Zero, make sure na merong unlimited supply. Coke Zero. And